You're watching CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
Well, everywhere you look these days, the economy is making an impact, even in divorces. Your money team finds more and more couples have to renegotiate settlement because their financial situation has changed. 3 on Your Side's Jim Donovan explains.
As a single mom, Joni Carley worried when expenses for her 2 sons went way up.
Economic changes were huge in these last few years.
She says she had no choice but to go back to court and try to change her divorce settlement. Many people think a divorce decree signed by a judge is set in stone, but that's not the case. Renegotiation is common, even years after a marriage dissolves.
Because divorces involve real people in real situations, real things happen to them. They get a pay reduction, they lose their job, they get ill, they get disabled.
If you're the one who's supposed to pay but can't, don't ignore the problem.
If you do nothing in a situation where you have a court-ordered obligation, every day that goes by where you aren't not compliant with that order, things get worse.
Start by speaking with your former spouse, then get your lawyer involved to make it all legal. It's always a good idea to get proof of any change in finances and set a time period for how long the new agreement will last.
It needs to have some kind of ending date.
Part of Joni's settlement was renegotiated, but not everything. Her advice to others, try to work it out together for the kids' sake.
The most important thing is for both parents to step up to the plate and do their best for their kids.
Now, lawyers suggest other options to help both parties in this scenario. For example, an ex may no longer be able to pay but could swap assets, such as a vehicle, to help make up some of the difference, or lengthen the amount of time they're supposed to pay in exchange for paying less.